The economy is shifting fast. Layoffs are hitting professionals at every level, including seasoned professionals with decades of experience and impressive titles. Companies are cutting costs, restructuring teams, and replacing full-time roles with contractors and AI tools. If you have been watching this happen around you and wondering what your backup plan looks like, you are not alone. The hard truth is this: one income source is no longer enough. I spent over 30 years in sales and business before I made the move to full-time solopreneur. I wish I had started building an online income stream years earlier. The good news for you is that the tools available today make starting faster and easier than before. Today's session breaks down exactly how to start a profitable online business using my favorite AI tool of them all, Claude AI, even if you have zero tech background and have never published a single piece of content online. You will learn which 4 free and low-cost tools do the heavy lifting, how to write and publish your first newsletter issue this week, and how to position your professional experience as the foundation of a business people will pay to follow. I also put together a free action step checklist to go along with this article. It gives you every step in order with check boxes so you move from reading to doing. No fluff, no filler. Download it and work through it as you read. Your experience and expertise have value. The right tools help you deliver it fast and at scale. My name is Hugh Lee Johnson, the creator and publisher of Venture AI X Money. If you're ready to learn, grow, and prosper, let's get started. How to start a profitable online business using Claude AI with no tech skills required. You do not need a computer science degree to start an online business in 2026. You do not need a big budget, a web developer, or years of experience. What you do need is the right AI tool, a clear plan, and the willingness to start. Claude AI gives you all three. This article shows you exactly how to use Claude AI to launch a profitable online business, even if you have never built anything online before. The business world has changed. The barrier to entry for starting an online business has never been lower. A few years ago, starting a content business meant hiring writers, designers, and tech support. Today, one person with an AI tool does all of that in a fraction of the time. According to a 2024 report by McKinsey, generative AI tools now save professionals an average of 10 hours per week on writing and research tasks alone. That is 10 extra hours you get back to build something of your own. If you are over 40, you already have something no 22-year-old influencer has: decades of real-world experience. People will pay for what you know. AI helps you package and share that knowledge faster than ever before. What Claude AI does for you: Claude AI is a writing and research assistant built by Anthropic. You type a request, and it produces high-quality content in seconds. No coding, no special skills, no learning curve. Here is what Claude AI does well: writes newsletter articles, social media posts, and email subject lines. Answers research questions with detailed, accurate responses. Rewrites your rough ideas into polished professional content. Summarizes long documents into short, clear takeaways. Generates product ideas, business names, and marketing copy. You are not replacing yourself. You are multiplying your output. One person with Claude AI produces content at the speed of a full team. The most profitable online business model for beginners with real-world experience is the newsletter. A newsletter gives you a direct line to your audience. You own the list. No algorithm decides who sees your content. How to build your newsletter business. With AI, here is a step-by-step approach you can follow to start and grow a newsletter using Claude AI. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic you know well and one where people spend money. Finance, health, career transitions, real estate, and business strategy all work. Your years of professional experience are a direct advantage here. Step 2. Set up your newsletter. Platform: use Beehive to host and send your newsletter. Beehive is built specifically for newsletter creators and gives you tools to grow, monetize, and track your subscriber base. The free plan includes everything you need to get started. Step 3. Use Claude AI to create your content. Open Claude AI and give it a clear prompt. For example, write a 600-word newsletter article for professionals over 40 who want to earn extra income. Cover the top 3 ways to use AI tools to create and sell digital products. Claude AI writes a full draft in under 60 seconds. You review it, add your personal voice and experience, and publish. Step 4. Research and stay current. Use Perplexity AI to research trending topics in your niche. Perplexity searches the web in real time and summarizes the results. You stay ahead of your audience without spending hours reading articles. Step 5. Design your graphics. Use Canva to create professional cover images, social media graphics, and newsletter headers. Canva has a free plan and hundreds of ready-made templates. No design experience required. Your 4-tool starter stack. 1. Claude AI, your writing and content creation assistant. Beehive, your newsletter hosting and growth platform. Perplexity, AI, your real-time research tool. 4. Canva, your graphics and design tool. These 4 tools cost you less than $20 per month to run at full capacity, and most features on each platform are free to start. Action. Start today, not next month. Your first step does not require perfection, it requires movement. Here is what you do in the next 24 hours. Sign up for a free Claude AI account at Claude.ai. Sign up for a free Beehive account and name your newsletter. Open Claude AI and write your first newsletter article using the prompt format above. 4. Send your first issue to 5 people you know. You do not need 1,000 subscribers to start. You need one issue, then another, then another. Each issue builds your credibility, grows your list, and moves you closer to a business that earns money on your terms. The professionals who build successful newsletters in 2026 are not the most technical. They are the most consistent. You already have the knowledge. These tools give you the speed. Subscribe to Venture AI X Money for weekly strategies on using AI to build income and move toward full-time solopreneurship. Key takeaways from this article. Your experience is your product. Professionals over 40 have decades of knowledge that people will pay to access. AI tools help you package and deliver that knowledge at scale. The newsletter business model is the lowest risk online business for beginners. You own your audience, you control your content, and you start with zero inventory. 4 free or low-cost tools, which are Claude AI, Beehive, Perplexity AI, and Canva, give you everything you need to launch, write, research, and design a professional newsletter from day one. PDF file Claude Business Action Step Checklist .docs.pdf. Grow your LinkedIn presence and your profits with Linked Profits. Linked Profits is a 60-minute one-to-one coaching session for executives, solopreneurs, and experts who are ready to stop being invisible on LinkedIn. Walk away with a profile that attracts clients, a content system that runs itself, and a newsletter that builds authority while you sleep. You've been posting on LinkedIn, but the wrong people are seeing it. Your profile says what you do, but not why anyone should care. You know a newsletter could change everything. You just haven't launched it. You're an expert, but you feel like nobody's paying attention. Here's the truth. Your expertise isn't the problem. Your positioning is. Schedule your call today. How can AI power your income? Ready to transform artificial intelligence from a buzzword into your personal revenue generator? HubSpot's groundbreaking guide, 200+ AI-powered income ideas, is your gateway to financial innovation in the digital age. Inside, you'll discover a curated collection of 200+ profitable opportunities spanning content creation, e-commerce, gaming, and emerging digital markets. Each vetted for real-world potential, step-by-step implementation guides designed for beginners, making AI accessible regardless of your technical background. Cutting-edge strategies aligned with current market trends, ensuring your ventures stay ahead of the curve. Download your guide today and unlock a future where artificial intelligence powers your success. Your next income stream is waiting. Get your guide.